篇常被用作文章、作品的量詞。
It is often used as a quantifier for articles and works.
佳佳每天也很努力學習中文，她相信自己總有一天能寫出一篇好文章。
Freya studies Chinese very hard every day. She believes that one day she will be able to write a good article.